What's up guys? Today we're checking out the Aireys house, which is, you guessed it, in Aireys Inlet. We're about 2 hours out of Melbourne, just off the Great Ocean Road. It is a particular average Melbourne day today. It's very grey, the rain's starting to come down, so I'm kind of stoked to get inside. Let's do this. Oh wow, okay. Fork in the road, left or right? I'm gonna go right. Look at this space! This has such a cozy feel to it. I love this hub of a living space. You've got the fireplace, you've got the couch, you've got this built-in seating with clever storage as well. I could see myself here with a glass of wine, chilling out. I might have to make that happen later on actually. Look at that amazing apex that leads you straight out to the lighthouse. Oh my gosh, we've got an amazing rainbow. Don't know if you can see that. It looks straight out over Aireys, but then it goes all the way back out over to lawn. And we've got puzzle time. We don't have time for that, let's be honest. Look at this amazing concrete kitchen bench. This is massive, it's super deep. This would have been poured on site for sure, but I mean, just the sheer scale of it, you could just host a dinner party here alone. Absolutely spectacular. This kitchen is fun, really open, amazing space for your cookbooks, you've got the view. You know I love a well-stocked pantry. Oh, hey, no, I might get stuck into that later. Oh, and ginger snap. You know I will. Let's go. Look at that sun coming out now. Leads you out onto this amazing upper outdoor deck. Gorgeous garden space below. Let's keep exploring. So many angles in this house. Ah, okay, this reveals a really good sized office. Looking back out onto the garden. A lot of light, more angles. Master bedroom time. Beautiful and cozy space. It's not overly big, it's a good sized space, but those windows, they just punch so much light in. It makes it feel so much larger than it actually is. Oh, and beautiful detail on the cabinetry as well. Oh my goodness! I love the size of this bathroom, and look at this triangle shower. How good the colour of those tiles, that green is just so gorgeous. It goes really well with that red ironbark. All right, where am I? Let's go downstairs. This is a cool little space. You've got yourself a little library here. Built-in seating and storage again. I love it. I love this pop of green too. That is a lot of fun. Bedroom through here. Bit of a guest bedroom. Smaller. You've got a lot of different angles, but it actually works really well. I love that dark timber feature wall. Oh wow, another bedroom. This is a lot bigger. And look at this amazing triangle window. Ah, this is so cool. You're really low. You're kind of sunken. You're pretty much at the entrance of the home. Good sized bathroom. Fun pop of colour as well with those blue tiles. The lower outdoor space. This is really cool. It's really protected. It's very quiet. You know I love an outdoor shower, guys. We've got hot and cold, which is important. Very cool. I love the sense of space. You've got these amazing angles everywhere you look. And just the size of these timber panels. I mean, they're just amazing. Oh, and a good herb garden as well. Should we go back inside? All right, we've got another living area. This is a lot smaller, a lot cozier, a bit darker. It's got a bit of a den feel to it, I'd say. Ah, Okay, kids territory, bunk beds, cram them on in. This is a good space. This feels good. They can kind of hang out here, a bit of a chill out zone. Kitchenette, that's pretty handy. You still with me? We've got a bathroom through there. A laundry through here. Awesome view again. I'm gonna go check out that classic car. Oh my God, which one to choose? It's gotta be this one. Does it suit me? I hope so. Give me 20 years, that's what I'm aiming for. We've got a bit of a workspace here. It's a bit of a handyman, obviously. Probably knows what he's doing with cars as well. Another workspace. Oh, and good wine cellar as well. More storage. And then we've got this, which I don't think it's just any door. We've got a lift. All right, I'm gonna see you upstairs. Catch you on the flip side. What's up? You guys have to walk like suckers. I love that lift. All right, let's go get that drink. That'll do nicely. You know when you go to a party and you see kind of that really cool, intimidating person and you're kind of wanting to go chat to them, but you're also really scared because you don't know what they're going to be like. But then you do, and it turns out they're amazing, they're super friendly, and they become your BFF. That's kind of what this home feels like. I mean, it's this incredible, sort of intimidating fortress from the outside. There's a lot of sharp lines, a lot of angles. You just don't know what you're going to expect on the inside. But when you do, it is just so welcoming. It is so warm and cozy, and it's just got this really lovely family feel to it. I mean, we've got to talk about those views. The views are what hit you, and you can obviously tell that it has been designed around these spectacular views over Aireys Inlet. That amazing apex that leads your eye straight up into the sky and out over to that lighthouse. I mean, it is incredible. It's absolutely next level. And then the angles are just everywhere. It's amazing. It's just like angle overload. Seriously, there's so much attention to detail. The angles are in the doors, they're in the timber paneling, they're in the roof lines, they're in the cabinetry, they're in the shower. They're literally everywhere, and it's kind of awesome. I mean, it's literally so much fun. This house seriously is a lot of fun. There's a lot of different spaces to hang out. There's a lot of different levels, and there's just like, it's kind of almost disorientating when you're walking around because there's so many places to explore, and there are things that you just don't anticipate being there that are actually there. I mean, it kind of wraps around itself. It's amazing. It doesn't have a set formula, kind of like it takes you on a journey. Does that make sense? The house is 3 levels, but it kind of doesn't feel like a set 3-level home because of the way it kind of slopes and splits, and you can enter through different entry points. What's interesting is the way that they've manipulated the landscape. I mean, they've obviously dug in, they've created that sunken basement level with the workshop, you've got wine cellar, you've got storage, and essentially the roof of that lower level becomes your ground floor. And to get to that ground floor, you have to go up these rolling hills, and that leads you in, and then you can go further up onto the 3rd level. I think it's really interesting the way that they've reflected that. It really plays to nature. They've created their own landscape, so to speak. The hills, the slopes, the gradients, it all just works really, really well. And again, it just makes it feel a bit different. It doesn't feel like a traditional 3-level home. Interiors wise, I love that this home is lived in. It's got life, it's got soul, it's a family home. There's heaps of storage for kids' games, there's books, there's cushions everywhere. They don't necessarily fit any kind of color scheme, and I love it. It just works. It's just a really happy home. You can tell that the owners really love to spend time with their family. A lot of the home has been really designed around creating those lovely central hubs. The living area is really cozy, and it's all open plan to that kitchen and dining. But in contrast to all those open plan spaces as well, all of the bedrooms and the bathrooms are also really private, which is always really important. If you've got a lot of people staying in your beach house, you're gonna wanna make sure you have some downtime to yourself. All of the outdoor entertaining is done at the rear of the block. That's actually north facing. And the reason they've done that is because it is much more protected from the weather. I mean, being down here on the coast, the weather is brutal. It's up and down. We've seen that today. That cops a lot of wind, a lot of rain. So the back is really protected. Hang out there, have a barbie, have your outdoor shower. That's kind of where you want to chill out, definitely in summer anyway. But during all year round, this is where you want to be, that living and dining space. Well, this is delicious. This house is so much fun. I've got to admit, it was not what I was expecting at all. And if this is a lesson for anyone, make sure you approach and say hello to that cool, intimidating person, because on the inside, they're probably awesome. I love this home. I could happily sit here all afternoon drinking my wine. I might light the fire, but then I may never leave. Thanks for watching, guys. I'd love to know what you thought of this awesome pad. Leave me a comment below. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got way more home tours coming.
One more. What? You got no more wine left. You can't do any more.
Give us another top up.
Get your own wine.